Hi, I'm Barker Herman with StarTree, and in this module, we'll take a look at notifications in StarTree ThirdEye. ThirdEye notifications can be sent in several configurable ways. You can either send emails to one or more people, you can use a Slack channel notification, or you can call a webhook where you can program it to run any app you configure. ThirdEye uses the concept of a subscription group in which you can define which alert triggers notifications, who gets notified when an alert is triggered, and which notification methods are used, as well as how frequently the notifications are sent. ThirdEye supports a UI-based cron syntax to set up your notifications, or you can use a user interface to set the date, time, and frequency of notifications. Notifications can be set up either on an alert or on dimensions. So in other words, if you have a notification configured when sales go down, you can either say, send me all sales go down events, or send me only the sales going down events related to this store. In the next module, we'll talk about root cause analysis.